100, 100. That's good. I don't have a lockpick anymore either. Give me a second, let me look in here. I have 9 here, so I don't have to do quite that much. So, do 9. Somebody's fishing out there. Here he is. Look at him. Right over there. Yeah. I bet he's kind of squatting down there. Must have some of those. Must have a wetsuit or something. Let me see. What else is around the lake at this moment? Nothing. Pleasant day. I didn't check to see where the rogues were. Maybe I should check that real fast. Alright. There's Bravo. Alpha. Fortress base someplace. Kind of hard to see. Looking for campfires. That's what I'm doing. It's a little late in the day for that. That's okay. I don't see any extra campfires around. So we wiggle back and forth around those trees, see if there's anything under the trees, under the canopy. That's this area right here. Didn't see anything. Yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, you see the gunfire over here? They're having some issues, probably with an animal. Almost for certain an animal. They don't really shoot at anything else but me. And I know they're not shooting at me. Okay, this is gonna be seven now. Yeah, I like that. You could probably hook triangular pieces on there, maybe, to make it even go over this area, make it square all the way out to there. Except for you have some headspace issues. That's why I had to go up a little high. That looks kind of nice. Anyway, we need to get going. Make sure our food is okay. I mean, we're way over what we need on food. I'll drink this water. It wasn't completely low yet, but summer's coming. I might end up having to carry 2 canteens. In fact, I should consider that. Somebody's out there shooting. Troubles. Is this right? No, that's not right. Cordage. Give me another one. Let's drop this out here. I wonder where that firing was coming from. I know Alpha's not over here. I might have a bit of a surprise neighbor that I didn't see. Let me look up here. closer around here. Maybe campfire hiding in here like this. Maybe back up here. Oops, sorry about that. I'm looking, I got my head down here looking at the screen very carefully. So my headset kind of rubbed against the microphone, which is kind of dangling over my head. I don't see anything. It's possible they're under a tree. Oh, wait, I see firing over there, maybe? You see something weird going on here. It's kind of flashing over there. It might just be some weird flashing is all. Alright, let's move this stuff up. It's kind of in a way I'm expanding the stuff that I carry. This is about ready to go bad on me, so this will be relieved off this spot. When I get going, I usually end up carrying way too much stuff. I'm sure everybody looks at that and says, why do you carry all that junk? I don't know. I don't know if I dare go up there. I keep my eyes peeled for campfires in the area, because those guys, all that shooting was really close. Where's that coming from? Up on top? Probably. But I know there was a wolf up there. I should be okay going this way. Blueberry, that's nice. I see a copper. I see a moose. I don't know how I'm doing on sinew at this point. Probably not terrible. Okay, dude. I don't really need to kill him. I'll see if I can work my way back up around there later. Maybe. I don't know if it's an efficient use of my time to hang around for them to move, or I could kill them. Which is a fine thing to do. I know, I hear you. I'm out of here. I don't know. Yeah, he's coming. Got a deer or something. There, was it him? I don't think it was that guy. I think it was this guy that got the deer. Wasn't it? Maybe not. That was the guy that kind of went chasing me. Then when I came through here, I heard the sound of a grizzly or some type of bear attacking some animal. There's some kind of a crate there. It's a medical kit. I don't know if I can get to it. That wolf's kind of close. What do you think, dude? You know. Everything seems guarded by animals. That ammo box, ammo bag right over there is being guarded by that bear that I moved down there. Yeah, I know. Everybody's offended. Is this too dangerous? I don't think so. Nah, I can get this one. Yeah, thanks for indulging me, everybody. Yeah. Let me eat something here. This might be dangerous. Yeah, there's... Better not hang around here very long. Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, that looks difficult. Is it? Yeah, forget it. Wasn't sure if that was the moose. That direction? No, it's a bear. Grizzly bear. Probably need to go away from here too. I don't know. We'll check over here. There were two goodie bags, but they were both being guarded by animals. Let's see if they're still guarding them. Kind of work by. Oh, there's a chicken. Don't need it. Got lots of food. Lots of feathers too. Yeah, I don't see those bags around. I see a blueberry. Is that it? Just the blueberry? Yeah, this is not a safe spot at all. Let's just get out of there. I do see a ammo bag. See if I can keep from disturbing him and keep from disturbing him. So I'll just run up a little ways behind them both. From this perspective, I can see where they sit. I'll at least get this one. Nah, don't need to get that close to that grizzly. I don't see anything. Or hear anything dangerous. The wolf right there. That's dangerous enough. Some grizzly bear right over there. My, so many animals. I don't know where the rogues are, which makes it a little more tense. Okay, you see those pieces of meat? I knew they weren't gonna last. Yeah, I'm close to home right now. Let's sneak back. Maybe go through the lake. Didn't find enough kelp for one of these. So it'll probably just hang around here for a bit, get et eventually. You can eat that apple now. You want it to come to the top and not go and clear the whole bar, because that means you're probably wasting a little bit. That's if you want to have the most efficient use of your resources. If you're doing really well and you've got tons of stuff, it doesn't really matter. $76 nails. How are we doing on power? 41. Look at that. It's nearly gone. It's because of you. What are we gonna do? Let's see. Just let it build back up normally. Oh, it's because I made the lockpick, of course. Put that away. Carry this. Oops. Get rid of this too. Well, I didn't need that. Okay. It is tempting to stop and do some building. I just know that it's a very lovely day out there. I've got a lock pick. And I should go through this area again. Sometimes they show up around this area too. Sun's going down. We will check out this area for lock crates. Yeah, I think we've met. Big grizzly bear. Let's get a little close to Alpha here. Lock crate area includes area back behind their camp, so I think if it lands back there, I wouldn't know. Therefore, I wouldn't find it. All I can do is check these areas, see if it lands far enough away from the fortress base, that I can actually get to it. Where'd he go? Right there. Goodbye, chicken. Oh, well. Yes, you can have him. There's a crate right up here. I usually can't get across here. Let me see if I can. There's usually some animal up here blocking me. Look at that, he's been damaged some. Probably were shooting at him. Yeah, I know. It's awfully rude of me. Oops. Uh-oh. Yeah, I kind of shouldn't have gone over there so quickly. He's caused damage. All I managed was a chicken, huh? Better do these. I'm gonna lose one of them. He's heading back to wherever he was. Should I go apologize to him? Sorry, didn't mean to bother you. Look at that, he's recovering. Somebody shot him. He probably was down over there and he ran into somebody from that medium hunter base. commonly referred to as Bravo. Oh, look at him. He's all bloody faced. Poor dear. If he weren't such an ornery brute, I'd offer him some bandages. Put one of these away. I think, yep. I used a few arrows. Just gonna bring this back to 20, so this is what I've got. I've got lots of casings and gunpowder if I need to make some. Make some fishing tackle. I have 4 sinew. I'm gonna have to put a base camp up there in cougar country, like I said I was gonna do. Those away. We'll bring this here and make some more cordage. Good. And while I'm at it, let's make me a fuel brick or two. It's nearly, no, it's not nearly daytime. Before we call it a day, oh, it's such a beautiful night. Oh. This base looks really stupid right now. Wow, so beautiful though. Look at that, he's all okay now. He's full bear now. I need to build a surround for this first. I'll do that tomorrow or later. I've got the nails for it, right? 82. That's decent. Okay, I'm gonna be crafting for a while, so we'll let that happen. And I'm going to say goodnight.